This Cummins diesel engine came in with a catastrophic failure. After making a loud popping noise, it dropped all its coolant straight into the oil pan, locking the engine up. With over 1 million miles on the clock, it's clear this hard-working engine has met its limit. Now it's time for a complete overhaul to get this truck back on the road. Preventive maintenance is key to extending engine life, but even the toughest engines have their breaking point. Stay ahead with regular maintenance. Don't let this happen to your rig.